And welcome to your ASX chart of the day. Today we are looking at Bravura Solutions Limited, software providers for the finance industry, ticker code BVS. They reported earnings recently with a big price jump, and we'll have a look at the price action today and see what is of interest. So if we have a look at the chart here, I put it on a fairly long-term view so you can see the previous two earnings results weren't well received by markets and we had two significant drops. But this was the last earnings spike we saw. Markets obviously very happy with what BVS are doing. They had a capital raise around this point here in February, which obviously the market feels has been well invested, and their recent earnings report has pushed the price back up to around about this mid 70 cents level. So currently trading today at around about 74.5 cents. It did get up as high as 77, but just pulled back a little bit with the overall market at this stage. So what we're thinking, we're back through the 200 EMA. Let's bring this up a little bit so you can see it closer. We see a potential move back up towards this 85, 86 level, which if it breaches 77, then that would represent somewhere around the 11% return on investment. So certainly a company that appears to have got over its earlier traumas and is in a good place as far as the market is concerned. Worthwhile waiting until we've seen a breach of 77. However, you can see it has traded around about that over the last week. So markets are pausing at this stage. So being patient is prudent. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.